But today we are reviewing a new hair topper from UniWigs, and I'm very curious to see if anything's changed and how I feel about their products now. All right, so here she is. This is Upgrade Courtney Mono Top. Isn't that color gorgeous? This is 624R, and I think this is going to complement my natural hair color really, really well. I just think it's so beautiful. So this is a 7 by 8 inch base, so it has quite a bit of coverage. Here's what that part looks like now with the tape underneath. It just gives more of that scalp appearance, and I put it off to the left side just because that's where I prefer to wear my part. That's what my hair is looking like. A lot of it, the hair loss is still kind of in the crown region there, but I definitely think I have enough to work with in the front here, and I'm excited because I think the color of the hair topper is going to be perfect. So putting the hair topper on is actually super easy and super fast. I just throw it over the top of my head, and then I'm going to want to line up the part of the hair topper. Then I open up the pressure sensitive clip, scoop up a little bit of hair, and snap it down. Okay, so this is what it looks like straight when I put it on. Oh my goodness, I already love it. I'm gonna go ahead and play around with it a little bit because I wanna make sure that this blend is as seamless as possible. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pull out a little bit of my own bio hair here and make sure it's blending in with the front of the hair topper. That's already so much better. I do have a little bit of scalp showing at the front here, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some powder just so I can make this, again, a more seamless blend. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this hair topper. I'm actually gonna grab my straightener here because you can see I'm incorporating my own bio hair with this. It's not quite as long, but the color, now I have my hair topper parted off to the left just because that's where I naturally like to wear it, but you can part it wherever you like. It's up to you. You can just kind of wet it, like part it in the new area, wet it and let it air dry, and it will stay in that direction, which is nice. Oh my goodness, do I love this. This is gorgeous, especially the color. It's crazy what a difference a good color match can make. This is amazing. It's like an instant confidence boost, the hair I wish I had. There's also lots of ways I could play around with this, which is awesome. I could definitely put it in a ponytail and even pull out parts of my own bio hair or parts of the hair topper itself. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Face framing, and that is such a good amount of volume. Like I said, it's not too much hair, not too little. I could twist it up. So many different options. Here's a close-up on the part in case you want to see. I think it looks quite good, especially how it's blending with my hair here in the front. Definitely no complaints there. However, I would love to try it out in a lace front. I know some toppers come with a lace piece in the front here so that you can put it fully in front of your natural hairline, especially if your hairline is a little bit more on the thin side and it looks like the hair is growing straight out from your scalp, kind of like some wigs. So I would love to try that out, but I think this is blending in really, really well with my own hair.